we will guide you through how to use field data, which allows you to enter customized attribute information and check model information as an IFC file. MIDAS CIM V190 provides a field data environment where attribute information for each object can be entered. The order of explanation is as follows. We will proceed with the explanation by comparing the field data configuration diagram with the attribute information provided for the peer model. The setup for inputting field data is as follows. There are group, field, configuration, and category object. First, a description of the group. The group setting is a step where default fields and custom fields associated with field data are grouped and displayed. Second, as an explanation of field data. The default field shows basic property information of an object, while the custom field is used for entering personalized information. Together, these two components are called as field data. Third is the explanation of configuration. The configuration refers to a step where a combination of custom fields and default fields is used. You can use a combination of custom field and default field for each configuration. Fourth is category object. Configuration is a step in which assignment is made according to object material property conditions. Since the information required for each object material is different, this step is set and assigned to each object. Let's now compare the contents found within the Field tab located in the Objects Property window. As shown in the picture, a group is formed by grouping several field data, and field data consists of both default fields and custom fields, serving as the unit within this group. Currently, the default field is composed of different information depending on the material of the object. For example, materials such as concrete and steel can display basic attribute information such as length, beta angle, section type, and thickness. In case such as rebar, the strength, diameter, and arrangement spacing of the rebar can be expressed as basic property information. The custom field comprises entries for inputting customized information, and a majority of the content forming field data is made up of custom fields. Configuration is the step combining the default field and custom field that belong to the field data. The category object consists of a list of configuration elements intended for assignment to the object, allowing only one configuration to be assigned to a model object. We will proceed with comparing and explaining the contents to be provided for the bridge structure model. First, the group settings. A group is created by assembling multiple sets of field data. In the example for explanatory purposes, the roles of the groups are Object Standard, Manage Info, and Calculation Details. Let's watch the video demonstrating how to enter a group. Second, these are the custom field settings within the field data. It consists of elements for adding customized content, and a majority of the field data configuration is based on custom field. The custom field data in the example for explanation purpose becomes a sublist within the Manage Info Calculation Details group. Let's check out the video on how to enter custom field data. Enter a name for the custom field and indicate the group in which the custom field will be organized. And in value type, set the unit of data to be displayed such as characters, depending on the type of data to be composed. Third, the default field settings of field data. The default field consists of items to utilize the basic information possessed by the object. In the example provided for explanation, the default field data is a list under Object Standard. Let's check out the video on how to enter default field data. Enter the name of the default field and specify the length and cross-section information and data group that will constitute the object attribute information. Fourth, the settings of configuration. Configuration consists of field data to be used in combination on an object-specific basis. Let's check out the video on how to set up the configuration. Enter the name of the configuration and specify custom fields to be used in one configure group. Afterwards, complete the configuration by specifying the default field. You can manage and use configure separately depending on the object information to be used. Lastly, here are the category object settings. The category object involves establishing a list of configurations to assign to a model object. Let's check out the video on how to configure the category object. The video content focuses on configuring the peer coping, column, foundation, and etc. to set the category object for each peer member. The following are the settings for integration with the IFC file format. It matches the beam and column attribute information of members configured in CIM with the attributes to be shown in the IFC format. The field data group is also specified to appear as an IFC property set. Import the library of modeled bridge peer to provide field data. Modify the peer model created using the point library to verify the coping object. A field tab has been added to the object's property window, and this is a space where the contents of the entered field data are displayed. Go to the Property tab and assign the category object to the peer coping object. If you click on the object again for verification, both the configuration and field data containing peer coping are registered. In the same process, assign a category object to the peer column object. You will notice that both the configuration and field data containing peer column are registered. Now, we'll explain the process of entering the required specific data within the previously configured field data and assigning the peer library to base mode. Field data involves entering customized data required for the object. Assign peer library to base mode. In the video, we also went through the process of matching structures based on the work breakdown structure. Click on the coping object of the peer assigned to base mode to verify if the information entered in the library has been inputted correctly. The following is an explanation of how to use the field label function, which allows you to check field data directly in the model. When you activate the field label function and choose an item from the custom field list, applying it will display field data in the model. There are 5 supported field label styles. Choose a style and click the Apply button to change the style. To hide the display of the field label, click the Clear All button. To turn off the display of the field label, uncheck the item and select the Cancel button. This continues the process of exporting in IFC file format. The quality can be specified based on the model's precision level and is exported according to IFC 4.3 standards. Check the IFC file in BIM Vision. Field data and structural composition are compatible as IFC files. Check the IFC file in Navisworks. Field data and structural composition are compatible as IFC files. So far, we have explained the use of field data by entering customized information into objects and its compatibility with IFC files. It would be great if you could use CIM more effectively with these added features. Thank you.